So if your Remove.bg image looks blurry in 2026, yeah, like the cutout is soft, pixelated, or not sharp, don't worry. This is usually fixable in a few simple steps. First, make sure your original image is high resolution. If the input photo is blurry, the output will always look blurry too. Next, avoid screenshots or heavily compressed images from social media. These lose detail and create soft edges. Now, always download in the highest quality option available. Lower settings can make the image look less sharp. Next, choose PNG format instead of JPG. PNG preserves detail better and keeps edges cleaner. Sometimes the image only looks blurry because you're zoomed in too far. Check it at 100% scale. If it still looks blurry, re-upload the image and process it again. A second pass can improve edge clarity. Now use the edit tool to refine edges manually. This helps sharpen details like hair, borders, and small objects. Finally, good lighting in your original photo makes a huge difference in final clarity and sharpness. And that's it. Once you fix these issues, Remove.bg will give you clean, sharp, and high-quality cutouts every time.